There is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls, and window sills, tables and chairs worn by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone. This is a place where I feel at home. I build a home for you, for me, until it disappeared from me, from you. And now it's time to leave and turn to dust. Out in the garden where we planted the seeds, there is a tree as old as me. Branches were sown by the color green. Ground had arose and past its knees. By the cracks of the skin, the climb to the top. I climbed to see the world. When the gusts came around to blow me down, held on as tightly as you held on to me, held on as tightly as you held on me. And I built a home for you, for me, until it disappeared from me, from you. And now it's time to leave and turn to dust.